Hello and welcome back to FAFO Fridays, and today we're going to be testing and answering the question of what does more damage, the FAFO Slug or the Dumbbell Slug. Don't forget to head to ballisticmachinist.com and sign up for our newsletter to make sure that you stay up to date on all the newest releases, and don't forget, always shoot cool shit. Alright, so ever since I released the FAFO Slugs, I've had a lot of people ask me what the difference is between the FAFO Slugs and the Dumbbell Slugs. The Dumbbell Slugs are 505 grains, not 875. They're also moving a whole lot faster, and they carry 2,600 foot-pounds of energy instead of about 2,100 foot-pounds of energy. The nose on them are roughly the same, and they're made out of the same material. So I've got a series of tests that I did in the FAFO Slug video that we're going to do today to compare. So let's hit these cinder blocks and see what it does. Let's go check it out. Alright, so with the cinder blocks, we definitely transferred more energy to the cinder blocks with the dumbbell than we did with the FAFOs. But, you can see, we hit right there, went through, pulverized that, but still didn't have enough energy to take a chunk or even dent the second block. But remember, the dumbbells, when they hit, they start to tumble, and I believe that the FAFOs do the same. Let's move to the next one. Alright, I believe that the Dumbbell Slug did more damage to the cinder block than the FAFO did. But now we'll see how the more speed of the Dumbbell Slug does against the bag of Quikrete, where the FAFO Slug went all the way through it. So let's give this one a shot. Let's go see what that did. Well, here we are at our bag of Quikrete, and you can see our entrance right here. Last time the bag didn't move at all. And you can see on this side that the more speed did not, just made a huge mess, the more speed did not help it get through the bag of Quikrete. So now we got one test where it did more damage, one test where it actually penetrated less. Let's fill up some water jugs or water pails, and we'll try that one as well. Unfortunately, I don't have any level 4 body armor like we did in the FAFO video to do a comparison with the dumbbells versus the FAFO on that, but I do have 4 buckets exactly like I had lined up for the FAFO Slug. The FAFO Slug destroyed 2 and entered the third one, so let's see what the Dumbbell Slug does in comparison. Alright, let's go check it out. Well, I'm really starting to like these 5-gallon water jugs. we completely split the first one in half. The second one didn't come apart quite as much as it did with the FAFO Slug, but it is still split in half with a giant exit hole. And the third one hit with enough energy to split the third one. And I don't know if that's an exit. Nope, that is not an exit right there. So it came through, entered this one, hit the back down here. Let me get a finger down here, this crack right there. Hit that, and then stayed intact. Could almost reload that and shoot it again. So, to sum it up, the FAFO Slug did more damage to the bag of concrete, but the Dumbbell Slug did more damage to the cinder block, and I'm going to say it won in the water jug test as well. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any other things that you want to see tested on these FAFO Friday videos. And don't forget, always shoot cool shit.